In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable emergency SOS call with side buttons. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings from the home screen and now scroll down for a bit and get into emergency SOS. Now that's all about call with hold. You have to enable that option to use your side buttons for emergency SOS, and now there are two different ways how you can use that feature. The first way is to quickly tap 5 times at your power button and see what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It brings us on that screen, and now you can just slide that slider to make emergency SOS call. The second way to use this feature is press and hold volume up and power button and see what happened. It brings us to the same screen, and now countdown starts. You see that alert sound, and when countdown ends, the phone will make emergency SOS call. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.